Thinking about creating your world, building your home in a quiet country location? Now this is your chance. This property located on 2414 Arthursville Road, Hartly, Delaware. This has a big old barn sitting here, and it has an upper second level where you could build an apartment. It also has an incredible trailer sitting on the other side of it, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Of course, this needs some TLC. Now with your touch, this could be your dream home. 2414 Arthursville Road, Hartly, Delaware is the property for you.
Book your tours today. I'm Jemimah Chuks, Realtor with eXp Realty, 302-359-8337.